SVT in the cut, that's a scary sight.
Oh yes, cuz you the man.
Nah, we ain't on that little boy shit, man. We had to, you know, we had to boss up. Knew I was a man when I realized that I wasn't on shit. All that work I put in these streets and I don't know shit. I don't wanna slide with no nigga, you hit my phone, click. I don't wanna hear about your problems, I got my own shit. Soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. Soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips. But I done gave out covers without me, you would be cold as...
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy SVT.J, and I'm back with another video. Today is just gonna be one of the random ass pick up and record videos. You know what I'm saying? Right now we on our way to a meet. I forgot who the meet was posted by or whatever, but just know it's a car meet, man. And yeah, pretty much we finna get active. No racing, no crazy shit. At least I hope so. Just here to pick up the camera and chill, vibe. You know what I'm saying? Look at some pretty cool cars. Kind of showcase this one. Shit, I'll see y'all guys when we get there. Yay! Supposed to be recording for the YouTube video, man. Forgot to pick up the camera, but it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. You see my bitch right here sitting pretty? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whole lot of Mustang shit. Yes, sir. You fast as fuck, boy. You fast as fuck, boy. Should've said, no way that's Dre. Sheesh. On the track pack, too. Okay. And he popped the hood. I hear a Pro Charger. I hear it. I hear a Pro Charger? Supercharger? Oh yeah, yeah, I hear it. That's not bad. Woo-woo. Yes, sir. Let's look at the goodies, man. Woo-hoo. I just got horny, my bad. Oh shit, the Paxi. Oh my god. Is that Hollywood Dre?
What's up, RJ?
What's up, nigga? Ah.
Hey, say something for my channel, bro.
Hey, we'll go down 18 Dre team, you feel me? Yeah. Say what's up to the vlog, man. Vlog on vlog, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sheesh, what you doing out here? Oh, that bitch right there, it's sitting pretty. You know what it is? It's a little dirty.
Hey, crank it up, let me get one of them roars.
You want to hear one of the roars?
Yeah. Okay.
You gotta get it on camera though.
Yes, sir.
You gotta get it on camera though.
Shit, we was just doing twice, nigga. Hey, I'm finna wake everybody up.
Hey, don't play with him either, nigga.
What's up, RJ? What's up, RJ?
I honestly don't. That sounds sexy. Oh my god. Looks sexy too. Sheesh. Yo, he's a try hard. Look at the exhaust off.
He on dump, boy.
That right there? That's pretty. They out in the active tonight. Yes, sir. Sheesh. I saw that. I saw that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It does. It's that Corsa, bro. It's that rich people shit. It's the Corsa. I gotta look at this Gen 3. Gen 3 Coyote. Fitment looking nice. Sitting pretty. Yo! Oh, this is badass. Well, we don't want to get in front of it. Oh, this is badass. Holy shit. Versace, man. Versace gold, you know it's bold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got GG in the cut. That's a scary sight.
Niggas started speaking on my name. Like I had to say nigga. We ain't shooting from no distance, walk him down if that shit personal. 1,000 miles away, I drop this cake, my shorty murking you. Yo, bitch will drop a low, you would be surprised what a Birkin do. Before you beef with me, go tell your mama pick a hearse for you. 50 on your head, I bet your man, homie, turn on you. I don't get my hands dirty, I send face and he gon' lurk on you. He asking me how I want that nigga dead, whatever work for you, just make sure he close cash it, that shit gon' hurt the view. Heard niggas dissing on my name, cause I ain't in the hood. Like I ain't pinning work, bitch shit on search, they know my shooting good. Ask the opposite about me, I'm the reason, up in the wood. Always stood on business, I don't talk cause that shit understood. Fuck, I look like tucking my chain, I wish a nigga would. I know some shiesty niggas that'll go and get it back in blood. Tried to get my killer 10, he said he did it off the love. A G for every slug, he hit him up, I sent his ass a dub. I don't give a fuck if they woofing, niggas ain't no shit. Why you niggas even got guns, y'all ain't gon' smoke shit. How you think Faith got his name, that boy like up close shit. Hit his top, part of nigga shit feel like I'm Moses. Call this hopper COVID, shoot this bitch, I swear I'm so sick. Switch up on this glizzy, send a verse with only 4 clicks. Real nigga, stand on my issue, I don't need no click. Every day I glide with my Nina, but I ain't got no bitch. Niggas talk too much, let this glizzy mute the commotion. Gun up in the lake, can't get no prints, too much corrosion. Drop a body, then I'm at the games, the table toasting. Party for your niggas in heaven, you can be hosting. We ain't shooting from no distance, walk him down if that shit personal. 1,000 miles away, I drop this cake, my shorty murking you. Yo, bitch will drop a low, you would be surprised what a Birkin do. Before you beef with me, go tell your mama pick a hearse for you. 50 on your head, I bet your man, homie, turn on you. I don't get my hands dirty, I send face and he gon' lurk on you. He asked me how I want that nigga dead, whatever work for you, just make sure he close cash it, that shit gon' hurt the view.
Yo, we on bags with it. Bagged out. Touch you. What's up, man? Damn. Oh. We lit over here, man. Follow you on Instagram? Yo, this is really a RTR, bro? What the fuck? Yo, hey. Is this really a RTR?
Yes. No, she just has fake
number 42.
What the fuck? Yo, that's wild. Hey, say what's up to the YouTube, man.
Hey, Grassroots Gabby.
Hey, okay. Yo, this is badass. What the fuck? This is badass. Yo. Your hands cold? My hands are cold. The real one?
I got a lot of fucking Mustang.
You do? You do?
I need my cats.
You sure?
I'm satisfied on Houston, boy.
Maybe. My boy Satan get back on the road though. I don't know.
You don't want to run my shit. Man, I'm gonna show off.
Hey, we can show off together. We can show off together. Hold on. Hey, better yet, I'm gonna park right here for you. Hold on. Cut it out, show me some. I don't hear shit. I don't hear nothing. I don't hear nothing. You would never win with that fucking blow-up vibe. Hey, you can't beat that blow-up valve, man.
It honestly sounds a lot louder than some people with like more expensive, like fucking newer cars.
Yeah, I got long tube headers on a Bassani X-Pipe. I have Bassani mufflers when I cut them all off.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, sir. When you get here? You just put up? Swear to God. And you just so happen to just... That blow-up valve sounds crazy. You can't beat that shit. You cannot beat that shit.
You got batteries on.
Huh?
You got batteries.
Appreciate it. Oh, shit. This what I want. This what I want. Yes. Yes. I want this. I want this. I promise you, if you after the trade, it's gone.
I want every goddamn coyote lined up.
We can run it in 2 weeks. I'll be tuned in 2 weeks.
I'm gonna be fasting about
E80, E85.
I might get 85. I get 85.
You gonna need it.
Bro, I need it. I need slicks.
You gonna need it. You need slicks?
Yes, I can't catch traction, bro.
Yeah, I'm not doing nothing below a 50. Nothing below a 55, really. I tried that shit. And I wasn't even on E.
If I race Brian, I think I got him, bro.
You think? You think?
He said he got 480 to the wheel.
You guys all are
350. I mean 350.
You got a fucking supercar.
How much do you make? Is that a Gen 1? That's the Gen 1 that came with it? Shit.
I'm about to build a Transit.
You about to build a trans? You still got the
Man, he got
MD82?
14 gears, bro.
He got 410s.
I told him he to drop it down like 373 at least, because he
I
I
wouldn't even.
that 120.
You're not pushing the limits, 650. Don't tell me you're pushing the limits, man. The limits for this motor is 650, right around 650, 600. Huh? Not close? All right, good. Let's save the coyotes. Let's save them. If you could, though, put it on E.
I can't.
Okay. All right, you already got it on E? Oh, okay.
But you think you should drop it down?
What?
You think 14 gears too much?
I mean, for rolls,
he can't use the supercharger.
for one, you're not going to have traction.
For drags, he can do it though.
For drags, yeah.
Hey, bro.
You get traction? Wait a minute.
Oh, yes. Yeah, he got slick.
Oh, yeah, you got them big old
I
Larry
raced
Hoovers in the
yesterday.
back.
I raced yesterday.
Seriously? Why?
Show this fake ass
No.
video.
Bro,
Not show this
bro.
fake ass
That's what
video.
I'm
All right,
tell you
bet.
what happened. All right, look, RJ, we raced the first time we raced. It was like tied up.
This is my first time ever going to the drag strip.
Yeah, so it was a close
It was
race.
tied up.
He started off
First
bad.
of all,
though.
I'm
Look.
pretty sure he's manual and you're automatic.
Nah,
All right.
he auto.
You're automatic? Oh, shit. 680?
Yeah, 680.
Okay.
But nah, the other race he whooped my ass.
The other race, he whooped your ass.
My ass.
He whooped your ass.
Yeah. I got a gap, boy.
I didn't even know who. I thought he like left late or something.
I didn't know
I
what
looked
lane
back
he
and I
was
was like,
Hey, man, who's Yada Man? I only seen this car on Instagram, bro.
Yeah.
Only time I saw it was on Instagram.
Yeah, he shit nice, bro.
No, it is. It's nice as fuck. The halo same colors and everything.
He got slicks in the front.
He is not playing.
That boy is not playing,
He
bro.
is not
He
playing.
got it in the front, bro.
Money is an understatement. I'm pretty sure his motor's built. I'm pretty sure. That pulley was kind of small. That pulley, well, I can't tell if this is a Gen 3 or a Gen 2.
He got the GT500 in, so we can't.
I can't tell if it's a Gen 1 or Gen 2. I mean, a Gen 2 or Gen 3. What's up, man? I only ever saw you on Instagram, bro. This is my first time seeing your car in person.
For real?
Yeah, first time ever. I'm SVT.J. Come right there. It's a shit box right now, okay? Don't look too hard.
As soon as I find a lane, I put you on, cause me, I'm so legit. As soon as you got some change, you hit the game, ain't think I noticed it. I don't even speak about what I did, shit, I just closed my lips, but I done gave out covers without me. You would be cold.